Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Rizal, sa Paradise. Ang buhay hindi pataasan. For me, it's just about reaching the top. It's about the journey itself, the struggle, the laughter, and even the times when I feel tired. But if going, every step remind me that life is also like a climb. Sometimes mahirap, minsan madali, pero always worth it. And in the end, when we finally reach the top, I know the view will be amazing. Maybe even catch the sunset, which for me, symbol of peace, hope in beginning. So, the specific content, wala akong ma-content ngayon. I believe kasi the experience itself will be my story. Hiking, teaching me to appreciate small things like the sound of birds, the pool, trees, and simple joy of being surrounded by nature. Thank you.